Sixth form is flying by, and before you know it you need to ask yourself that big question, what am I going to do afterwards? What's next? In this video we will look at the options available to you. Option 1. University. This is the classic route. Great if you love your subject, need a degree for your dream job, or want that full uni experience. But here's the thing, it's not just nights out and hoodies with your university name on. It's a lot of independent work, budgeting, and self-motivation. Ask yourself, do I know what I want to study? Am I ready for 3 years of it, plus student debt? If yes, great. If not, keep watching. Option 2. Apprenticeships. You'll be learning and earning. You work in a real job, get paid, and still get qualifications. You won't have student debt. You'll have a proper contract and sometimes may attend college once a week. They can be anything from level 3 up to degree level and sometimes beyond. These are a good option if you want real work experience, you're motivated by earning, and you know the field you want to go into. And no, they're not just for trades. Law, marketing, healthcare, tech, you name it. And everything you learn will be great for your CV. You'll be saving up, whilst your university mates will still be learning how to use the washing machine. Option 3. Going straight into work after college is a solid move. You start earning straight away, build real experience, and pick up skills employers actually care about. Whether it's retail, admin, hospitality, or a junior role in your dream industry, you'll be learning on the job and getting paid for it. Plus, you can always pivot later, study part-time, take short courses, or move up where you are. Your first job can be your first step. Option 4. Taking a gap year. This doesn't mean doing nothing, it's time you can use to figure things out, gain experience, and do stuff you might not get the chance to later. You could travel, volunteer, work full-time to save money, or try out short courses to test different career ideas. The big win, you get space to breathe after years of school and college, and you can build confidence and life skills before committing to your next step. Just make sure you've got a plan, otherwise, a year can disappear fast. Set yourself goals, even if it's as simple as earn £3,000, visit 3 new countries, or learn to code. That way, your gap year works for you. To recap and to put things in a nutshell, the university option, go deep into a subject you love, get the degree you need, but be ready for 3 years of study and student debt. The apprenticeship option, earn while you learn, gain real experience, and skip the big uni bill, but you'll need to be sure about your career path early. The employment option, start earning right away, build your CV from day one, and keep your options open to train or study later. The gap year option, take time to work, travel, and figure things out, just make sure you've got a plan so the year doesn't vanish. I know we covered these options very quickly, and in other videos we will go into much more detail for each one.